Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Matt. Well, we are at Houston Motorsports Parkway. We've got the 1.8 turbo Cruze up here, fully built bottom end GT35 turbo, and we're gonna do a little test and tune on the track here. Last time I was here, I broke an axle trying to race somebody, so I'm not gonna race anybody this time. I'm just gonna race myself. I'm gonna drive out of the hole, 14 pounds of boost, make sure my tune's good, and then we're gonna turn it up from there, get a little more aggressive. Ideally, I'd like to leave here with the car not broke. Let's see if we can make that happen. Oh, hey, there you are. So I had turned the two-step down a little bit from 5,500 to 5,000. Let's see how it likes that, and then we'll log it, see where the timing is, see where the fueling is, and how much boost it's making. Well, I'm working on this tune. I'm not exactly sure what changed, aside from that hardware that I put in, those new solenoids. The feeling seems a little out of whack, but what we'll do is we'll just go down the track, we'll log it, drive it out, go through the gears. We'll get off it if it gets lean, come back, retune, rinse and repeat, and we'll just take it from there. See you on the track. Hopefully y'all can see all right. We'll go ahead and get this party started, shall we? Let's go. All right, we're pulling up. I think we still got everything recording. Not gonna do a burnout and destroy everything. It's just me. Isn't that wonderful? Oh shit. We got down the track! We got down the track! First full pass, even though it was breaking up big time. I have no idea what it was doing. AFR wise. We'll have to check that out. But she is not happy with the tune right now. Totally smoked everybody.
Yeah, totally.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Oof. That was awful. Put it right back in line because that was pure doo-doo. Yeah, I need to fix this tune. So 284 on the 60 foot, awful. 330, 8.1, and the 8, 12 seconds to the 8. I'm gonna lower y'all down. All right, I revised the tune. I think the issue is, I mean, it's pretty hot and muggy out today. And see if those changes did anything for us. She was really fat. Overly rich. Timing was conservative. And we'll see if we can't do better. All right, let's get back in line. Log what she's doing. And hopefully gonna try though. We're up here. We got a Mustang next to us. Oh boy, that was a little better. All right. Got a better launch. I was able to flat foot shift it, but it's still breaking up though. So we'll see what it's doing. And I'm still not getting boost off the line, so something's up. Something's up. Smoke them. All right, here's the difference between the two. A redlet, but I shaved some off the 60 foot. Almost a full second off 330. A full second and a half off the 8th. Yeah, she's just not happy, man. She's just not doing what she's supposed to. All right, I'm gonna try raising the launch control to 6,000 RPM. Ooh, it is humid out. But what I wanted to show you guys is look at the air intake temp. Coolant temp's getting up there. And I didn't get any information from my wideband, so it was kind of not necessarily a waste, but it just wasn't making the boost that it should. I don't know what the air fuel ratio was like, so it could have been overly fat again. So I'll pull a little bit out and try it again. Vehicle's cooled down a little bit. Let's see if we can build boost this time on two-step. Okay. Yep, we got it. Probably should have data logged that. Let's try that again. Yep, she's doing her thing. That was fucking loud. All right, we're back in business. Let's get her in line. Let's do one last run for the night. It's 10:16. I'm getting exhausted. Been here since 6 something. Ready to eat something and call it a day. But let's see if we can improve our times without breaking something. Last run of the night. Whew, that was a good burnout. So we're racing this Camaro SS. I'll be happy if I smoke. But temps are looking good so far. don't break anything. I've got my two-step dialed in. That was better. Still breaking up though. And I had a hard time getting it in the second, but that was fun. It should be the best pass of the night, even though the car is breaking up. We didn't break anything. And I get to drive home immediately after this. All right, where's my trophy?
I don't know. I don't got it.
I won. I beat everybody tonight.
Yeah, every single one. I watched it happen.
You know what? I'm gonna go get my trophy down this way. Well, I'm just gonna pull off right here. We'll take a look at this time slip. That can't be right. Well, it was fun. We'll take a look at the data. I'm gonna go home and then in a snap, because of the magic of YouTube, have all this data in front of us. We're back at the studio. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of this data. In short, it was just really fat. Here was the last run, and this is pretty consistent with all of the runs, where we start getting up into boost. Some of my lower boost levels here, I've got it fairly dialed in. That last run, I did turn up the boost controller a little bit. Well, maybe a lot. We got super fat. We got her up to 21 pounds. And this is the reason it's just dying out. Better fat than overly lean. So I just need to go back to my graphs here. And I'll just make some changes, because you can see as we get higher up, this is essentially the map here. We're at this point is 14 pounds of boost. We're getting up there. And all this green is where it's super fat. These red areas are just where I was shifting. So what I think is going to be best is just to go to a dyno. I'm gonna rent one for 2 to 3 hours. I think Craig Koch charges like $100 an hour. So I'm gonna bite the bullet, take it to the dyno, tune as much as I can, and we'll just dial it in from there. As fun as it is going to the track and trying to do it there, it's safer than doing it on the road, but at the same time, you gotta wait in line, tune things, jump back in line. I think we'll get a lot faster and better results on a dyno, don't you? And also, we've got that ball bearing thing I was telling you about in, so I'll do a video on that as well. And I might switch over to this unit just because I feel like the turbo I'm currently using, it's got the RPM range way up there. This one might bring it down some more, but will also give us the ability to push more boost and have better response. Oh, and before I forget, it's crazy how many people just really enjoy looking under the engine bay of this car, because, I don't know, they just have never seen anything like it, or at least not on a Cruze. And so there are a lot of people that stop by the chat and take a look. I don't know if that's with every car, or it's just they see this Cruze and are like, what? Anyhow, thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.